Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your Wi-Fi password on the Windows 11. So the first thing that you would like to do is just go into your PC that contains the Windows 11 and open it up. Of course, if you are a Windows 10 user, you can just go into your settings and upgrade into Windows 11 right now and for free. Of course, you can run the installation or download into the background of your PC. If you want to keep using it in the meanwhile, your PC might be a bit slower, but it's not going to be a big problem, especially if you have a good PC. Of course, you'll not even need to notice the difference. And once the download or the installation is done, you will be notified to restart or to reboot your PC. When you do that, you will find yourself with a Windows 11 ready to use. Of course, if you upgrade from Windows 10 into 11, you will not delete, or your PC will not delete, or you will not even be missing any files or apps from your new Windows 11 PC, because Windows 10 into 11 deletes nothing in your PC. And of course, you will have a recovery point if you want to go back into your Windows 10 whenever you want, but I bet you will stay on Windows 11, especially when you get used to it, and normally you will not get an issues on it. So as we said in the beginning of the video, is we would like to change our password on the Windows 11. So the first thing this would like to do is just go and open our settings. You can just go and open it with your regular way. For me, I open it with Windows I on my keyboard. Of course, you can do that as well, or you can just go and open it with your regular way on your startup menu. So here you have to go for accounts. You can just select it here from the Let's panel. And once you are here, let's just close this. Here you would like to use this sign in options. Make just sure to click on it, and once you are here, make sure to enter the password. Just go and open it, and here we'll normally have the option of changing it. So of course I don't have it because I have to add it. Let's just add one as an example. 1 2 3, and here 1 2 3 1, next, finish. And as you can see, now I'll be able to change this however I want. I can just click at change and type my current password and change it to whatever you want. Here let's say example 1 1 and 1 if I want to put a hint or not, and next. Of course, let's just change it from the password. So let's use example 0. Click at next and finish, and my password will be changed. Of course, if you want to remove it, you can just go and let those empty and click at next, finish, and it will be removed. So that's actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.